Hello everyone. So I just want to hop on here and say that we're going to be doing a new challenge on this channel called the Draw Daily. And don't worry, it's not going to be like ridiculously long, like 30 days or 60 days. It's just 5 days. Yes, you heard me right, just 5 days. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to post a long form video on how to set up your fresco for this particular challenge. And then after that, yeah, I'm just going to start posting videos each day. So these projects are going to be super tiny, like bite-sized project. So you won't need hours to finish it, like few minutes a day and you'll be done, because we know that we are all busy right now, but that's okay. I think we can find some time every day, for art, because we all need to unwind. Anyway, so you can find the prompt list in the communities tab or posts, and you can also find it on my Ko-fi page. I'll leave the link somewhere here, I guess. Otherwise, you can always go to one of my older videos and try to find the link to the Ko-fi page over there. So I guess that's it, and I'll see you in the next video then, hopefully tomorrow. See ya.